There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, your favorite diva A, and I'm back to slay today. What's up, everybody? I hope you all are having like an amazing day when you're watching this video. Staying positive, staying out the way, being kind, and the best of the best, minding your business. Okay, at least mind some of it, at least. But anyway, other than that, happy Black History Month, ladies. Happy Black History Month. I hope y'all are all enjoying this. This is not our only month. We have every month, every day, every week, every year. Okay, Black History. Okay. So I hope y'all all still having like amazing day. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for coming to my channel to watch this video. Today we're gonna do another wig, y'all. Y'all already know it's about to be a wig. We're gonna look cute, okay? And y'all already know what I've been telling y'all. Y'all could go to Amazon and get the best of the best of the best, okay? I love Amazon because Amazon Prime, you get your own time. I worked with this company quite a few times. Not like an all the time thing, but I probably would think like maybe like 3 or 4 times I've worked with Beeos, and they have some really good quality wigs. They have some good quality hair. They have some good quality frontals. If you make wigs, they have some good stuff. They also do have a website, but they are available on Amazon as well. And I like the boxes that they send because you have to kind of like rip them, tear them open. They make sure that they're sealed good and the quality is always there. So even though this box looks small, the wig is in there, girl. Okay, the wig is in there. In the box, you will get one of their signature melting bands, which is the plus. You'll also get an HD wig cap. So yes, ladies, let's get into this. I'm excited to see what this wig looks like. I haven't worked with them in a while, like, you know, maybe like a year or so, but we're gonna come through. We're gonna look real cute. We already cute, but we're gonna just enhance it. So now this one right here, you will need to cut the lace off, but everything other than that is everything done for you. They have bleached the knot on this unit slightly, not as much as I would do, but slightly so that the hair isn't over processed. And it is a curly unit. I love when you have like these little ringlets at the bottom. The only thing is once you wet the hair, it does not stay like that. And you'd have to just go in and just do it hair by hair. But I love when they do this to the units. The hair is more or less like a deep wave. This is the real Swiss HD lace. And I do believe it's bleached, right? Let me see, because if it ain't, girl, ooh, child. So it's not really bleached like that. So I'm not really sure how this is going to come out, but you know, I have my concealer on hand. The lace looks really good. It is thinned out at the hairline, which is a plus. And I feel like when it's curly hair, it's not really that noticeable when it's not bleached, but the speckles are not bad. Like, you know what I'm saying? If it was bleached, it was very lightly bleached. Either way, we're going to try it out. So it does come with 4 combs, and I'm not really sure about the placement, but there are combs on the sides and in the middle. In the nape, there is also a comb, an adjustable strap, the removable elastic bands with their name on it. There isn't a drawstring on this unit, but so let's just jump right into this real quick, and we're gonna see how this looks without it being bleached to like the way I want it to be bleached. Baby, I think I can just let go. Baby, I think I can just let
I get it, I get it. I guess I get it now. Life is taking enough from me. Think I just need security. Yeah. So crazy how anything can happen. Hedging my bets so desperately. Building sand castles on the calm seas. Looking for a guarantee. Can't get out my own way. I'm playing it safe. I'm holding so tight and choking my grace. Leaving no room for mistakes. It's the illusion of control. Can't take it with you when you go. And holding on won't help it grow. Take it with you when you go. Might as well learn and lose control. The sun rises and it sets every day without my help. I can just rest assured. Of course, heaven knows best. Every second my heart beats is a reminder there's a creator keeping me safer than the illusion of control.
All right, y'all. So I tried to work around this wig as best as I could. And when I tell you I did my thing, I did my thing. This wig definitely did not disappoint, even though it wasn't bleached to my perfection, because I think I really got used to having pre-everything wigs, getting a pre-everything wig, it showing up and everything is done for. At first, I wasn't like a huge fan of the pre-everything, but then it just kind of like reeled me in. So when I do get a wig that I need to bleach, I'll be looking like, you want me to do what? But I will say this, the hair is definitely bountiful. You get a lot of hair on this unit, which is great if you love a good full wig. If you're going to do a wig, what I say, if you're going to do a wig, do it big. And baby, she came through. Now these curls are definitely juicy and succulent. I did let them air dry off camera. I also do have a fan right here. But let me tell y'all, even though she didn't come bleached, girl, I still worked around it. All you got to do if you don't know how to bleach, or you ain't got no bleach, or you just don't feel like doing any bleach, what I would say is make your part like so, and then go into that part and just tweeze the hair away. So that way there's no black knots. You have a space. The part is going to be permanent if you're tweezing in the part, and just add you a little concealer. Let me tell y'all, I have so many wigs that I have created without bleach. All I did was just tweeze in the part and just use some concealer. You got to work around things. And I think like this wig was actually really good. It may have been bleached, but it wasn't bleached to my standards. And that's okay because I still made it work. Okay. Let's talk about the lace, girl, because I'm here for the lace. This lace is definitely there. Okay. Even though you can't see it. Do y'all see how clear it is? Did y'all see how I did the lace on my hand? Baby, when I tell you that this lace is clear, it's clear. I love good lace, honey. Lace definitely has to be the #1 thing on any wig. The lace is eaten, then girl, the wig is definitely going to eat regardless. The succulent curls on this, the hair, the hairline, and the lace, do it like it should be day. All I did was just pluck into that part, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't even really pluck into it. I just kind of like used my comb and pulls away at it. Now, the one thing I will say, make sure that your concealer is not too light and make sure you blend it in. I cannot stand to see the concealer just sitting right there in a straight line and it's just so visible. My thing is blend, 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 brush it in. You do not want a perfectly sharp, straight line when doing your wig. That's just my take because I just feel like it looks so unnatural. I want it to be perfect, but I don't want the line to be so sharp, if you get what I'm saying. But girl, look, the hair is nice. I let it air dry. The color that they sent me is actually the color black. And today's vibes was definitely good. I did 2 videos. The ending was great. I love leaving the best of the best of the best for last. This wig came out perfect, even though it was not bleached. To my standards, it fits great. No drawstring needed. Has a great hold on that removable elast band. And the comb placement. So the comb placement wasn't my favorite. So I don't have the combs tucked in on the side. I think they should have brought them up a little bit more and more slanted instead of just having them all lined up. That's okay. Combs are easy to be removed and re-put back in. I just left the combs out. I really actually didn't even need the combs because it fits great. Check out this lace. Is it doing what it needs to do? I love y'all. If y'all stay to the end of this video, leave a black heart. I love y'all and I will definitely see y'all in the next one.
So you can go, go, go.